stepping off the boat, I instantly felt like I was somewhere else. Like, we're not lying. Anytime we go to different districts or different neighborhoods, there's a different vibe. And right now, there's a lot of movement, but it's pretty quiet. Sabai, sabai. Oh, hold on, I smell something too. And there's a lot of fragrances. Ooh, it smells good.
No rice.
Nah, I smell some seasoning, some spices. If you know Kingfish, Queenfish travels, you know that if we see it, we're going to go. So you look over there, what do you see? More vendors set up. So we have to go explore and see what it is.
So we're walking down the street, and I see this little piece of fruit. And the leaves were reminiscent of what I know to be mango trees. But I've never seen mangoes this small and served sliced like this. I had to get it. It's not the softest thing, and I don't like it.
Well, they gave you something to put on it.
I
No?
don't think anything is going to help it. It's not bad, but I will never eat this again. Actually, I think it's the skin. The mango,
Not too bad?
borderline sour, very tart. The skin is kind of floral, almost medicinal.
All right, they gave us, I don't know, it looks like a combination of maybe brown sugar and spices. So I'm going to try it like this.
There is a lot of spice on there. What say you, Queenfish?
It's good. This it's spicy.
As much as you put on there, that's probably all you're tasting.
It's good. Keep the
Spicy?
spice. Such a beautiful breeze, a beautiful day, a beautiful neighborhood, a beautiful walk. I mean, I love that we get off the beaten path and we make our own path and we find our own places to explore. This is really peaceful. This is really nice.
So, did you see that? That was a motorbike. Do you see this? These are pedestrians. We share the sidewalk with the motorbike. The motorbike does not share the sidewalk with pedestrians. But here we are in Ramkhamhaeng.
Oh, you said it.
Ramkhamhaeng. Right? So this is what most tourists would refer to as in the middle of nowhere.
The boonies.
The boonies. Nobody comes here. Nobody. And when I say nobody, nobody. We come here. Why do we come here?
We didn't see any tourists.
No, yeah, we have not seen any Farang here at all.
Not the Farang. So who
Actually-
thinks he's Thai? I know you guys are like, how many times are they going to tell us, get off the beaten path, go to places you don't know, blah, 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 blah. I know you're like, oh, we get it. Kingfish, Queenfish Travels does not do your usual. But it's just that we're trying to stress, reiterate, and remind that even just get on the BTS and go to a stop you've never been and explore around that stop.
And in case you didn't know, bicycles are here too.
this screams, say you're in Thailand without saying you're in Thailand. You got the music in the background, smooth. You see the building behind us and how some people live, and the breeze and all the buildings. And it's like, oh, and the pedestrian walkway is right over there. So the R walk is right over there. So Kingfish saw this place when we were coming in off the Canal boat. He was like, let's go up there. I saw a cool place to eat. And here we are. This is Bangkok. Bangkok, baby. Looks pretty, pretty, pretty. But I can't believe that I'm gonna do this. I like adding just a little bit of spice now.
Wait. You're putting spice?
Yeah, the other day when I added some spice to it, it was so good.
Okay, but just a little bit.
I think if I only do a little bit, I'm good.
All right, don't put all of that.
No, I'm not. All right, let's give it a try. Believe it or not, it can use a little more spice.
Do it.
Cannot believe this.
Do it. You're Thai now. Do
Josh, I hope you watch this. You will be so proud of Mama. Except now Mama got a little bit of spice on the back of her throat. Just one moment, please.
So I got pork and basil with rice. And I've already had a piece of the basil, which is quite crispy. And they've given me a side of carrots, cabbage, lettuce, which I probably won't eat, but it sure is pretty. And then just like the Queenfish, we will start with a little bit of chili. Get a little bit of fish sauce. Make sure there's no floating debris. And a little bit of pepper and vinegar. And give me some of them peppers there, buddy. All right. And now we feast. This is the first time that I've ever eaten alongside of a Khlong. An active Khlong with diesel-powered boats. Good rice, good basil. And now for the star. It's okay. It's okay. But I see Mr. Joe in my near future. Standing out here just outside 7-Eleven, across the street from the Tung Lo area police station, in case this becomes a crime. This is the Dubai Chocolate Pepsi. And today, we're gonna have a closer look. I broke the seal. Doesn't smell chocolatey. Okay. It's not bad. I don't know if I'll want one again, but it's not bad. Remember the brown Tootsie Roll lollipops? If you liquefy that, added some carbonation, that's what this tastes like. Cheers. Pepsi. Choice of a new generation.
While the Kingfish was trying this out, I noticed on the can it says 0 sugar. 0 sugar? I don't know. All right, let's see. Here goes nothing. tastes like root beer to me.
Root beer.
Root beer. I don't taste the chocolate.
In the words of Duncan B, is it a
I'm a neutral.
a neutral?
Neutral. I'm
neutral.
Yeah, I don't know if I would buy it again, but okay. Not too bad. And now, for me, now I'm tasting chocolate. Neutral. So I see a couple of fruits and vegetable stands, but then it looks like it goes a little deep. So we need to go inside and go see what they have. Although I'm a little more excited to have food from the market because they are just now setting up, so the food is fresh. And I smelled some aromas that were calling my name. Sawadee ka, ao mamwang pan.
So you see before me, I have a mango smoothie. This is better than Dunkin' Donuts, Starbucks, Cafe, Amazon combined. Cheers.
And if you're wondering why I don't have one, I didn't want one yet. But don't worry, I saw a juice vendor at the market and she had the orange juice. And it was for a decent price. I think it was only for 25 baht.
25 baht?
Yeah, it was like 25 baht. So I'm definitely gonna get one.
25 baht. 25 baht.